Apple's about to drop the thinnest iPhone ever. Meet the iPhone 17 Air. It's just 5.5 millimeters thin, slimmer than your AirPods case, with a gorgeous 6.6-inch OLED display that feels almost weightless in your hand. Instead of 3 bulky lenses, you get one powerful 48-megapixel camera, clean, minimal, and simple. And powering it all? Apple's brand new A19 chip, delivering blazing speed in an unbelievably thin frame. But there's a catch. The 2,900 mAh battery is the smallest in the lineup. And yes, no SIM card slot. It's embedded SIM only, worldwide. Pre-orders kick off on September 12th, and it lands in stores on September 19th. Apple is betting big on design over power. So, what do you think? Will the iPhone 17 Air be Apple's next big win? Or will fans stick with the Pro? Comment below, smash that like button, and follow for my full hands-on review when it drops.